Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Quark Token. Now the Quark Token, it was just announced they got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 3rd, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the Quark Token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Quark token, Quark, the ARC-20 token in the Bitcoin ecosystem, is seen as a potential breakout meme coin. Its name, derived from the basic unit of matter, reflects similarities to Bitcoin's smallest unit, the Satoshis, aka sats. Due to its high initial value, widespread holding, and strong consensus, the community believes Quark could become a prominent meme coin in the Atomicals ecosystem. So it's an ARC-20 token. So this is on the Atomical blockchain. There is a circulating supply of 9,913,139,095 Quark tokens and a total supply of 10 billion Quark tokens. Now they have, the token name is Quark. Ticker symbol is Quark, or token symbol. And their webpage here is basically you would go to atomicalmarket.com/token/Quark, it says, right? So I just tried doing that. So if you go to atomicalmarket.com/token/Quark, right now it says not deployed yet, which is interesting. So for some reason it's saying not deployed yet. Now we could even copy their address and put it in there and see if it works, but for some reason, it's telling me not deployed yet, so that's great. But this token did get a brand new central exchange listing, so you can easily get it off this central exchange if you want to do it that way. Now, you can just check out the Atomical Market. If you go to atomicalmarket.com, that's where they have all the ARC-20 tokens listed on there, like Qubit, ATMO, Bomb. They have one called Molecule, BTCS, Doge, all these things that are available on here. And there's Quark right there for some reason. So you can actually click on it, though. It's right at the very top. So I don't know why they didn't let me search it from that search. But for some reason, you can click on it, and then it works. So there you go. If you're having a problem by searching this token based off that address, just go to atomicalmarket.com. and then look for Quark and then click on it, and then all of a sudden it works. So 2 different browsers, for some reason it didn't work when I just put in the URL, but if you just search it and then click on it, you can. So they have buy now buttons on Quarks there. So it says 8.62 sats /Quark, and then it shows the price of how much it costs to buy that specific one. You can click on that and buy it, and you can do this right on the Atomical Market. By connecting your wallet. Obviously, you would have to have one compatible with ARC-20 tokens. And then it shows the floor price, 24-hour trading volume, 24-hour sales, all this type of stuff. History, goes through all that stuff. And so you can search on the marketplace. You can click on token. You can click on Explorer, wallet balance, go by collection, realm, all that type of stuff. So Atomical Market, go check it out. That's where you're going to be able to buy and sell this token by connecting your decentralized wallet. But this token just got a brand new central exchange listing today. We're going to go over that here. So it says To celebrate the birth of Bitcoin on January 3rd, 2009, at 18 hours, 15 minutes, and 5 seconds UTC time, and the completion of the Quark deposit target on Bitmart inscriptions markets, Bitmart is thrilled to announce the primary listing of Quark. So it just got listed today, January 3rd at 18 hours, 15 minutes on Bitmart. So if you're looking to get this token on Bitmart, all you would have to do, first of all, if you don't have a Bitmart account, you just download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, and then open an account, fund your account. You probably have to go through the KYC, all that type of stuff. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, then go into the trade section and search Quark, and then simply just buy the token. Now, I'm pretty sure they did a giveaway too. Okay, so they had prior to this. So this was from earlier this week, talking about their primary listing. So it says Quark, the ARC-20 token in the Bitmart ecosystem, is seen as a potential breakout meme coin. Its name is derived from the basic unit of matter and reflects similarities to Bitcoin's smallest unit, the sats. And they had an event here. It says Embracing the Future with Bitmart. This was a deposit to support Quark listing on Bitmart. So that was successful. And then it says, after 49,565,695 Quarks are deposited, then they will list the token. So that happened, obviously, because now they are listing the token. So that was a successful event. And then the token is already live. So you can get it right now as Bitmart. I mean, obviously, Bitmart is an easier way to figure out how to get this token. Like if you're a complete newbie, that might be the best way to get the token. If Bitmart is available in your area, for some reason some central exchanges are not available in certain areas of the world, and vice versa. So you'd have to see if it's available first, and that's an easier way to get the token. But you could get it through the Atomicals Market, and you can follow Atomicals Market on Twitter. I'm going to put it up right here, and they announce new token listings on there, these new ARC20 tokens, and it is at Atomicals with an S Market. 16,400 followers. And then right in the pinned tweet, it says there's a step-by-step how to list Atomicals tokens in the marketplace if you're interested in that. But you can find all of this information on their Twitter. And just 12 hours ago, it says Quark was airdropped to winners yesterday. So it looks like they do contests too with these new listings of their tokens. So check out the Quark ARC20 token on Bitmart. Check out this Twitter right here. Go check them out on the Atomicals Market. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.